Dear student, today we are discussing the class 9th level chapter, and the chapter name is Area and Perimeter of Triangles and Quadrilaterals. I repeat, area and the perimeter of triangles and quadrilaterals. In this chapter, at first we are discussing some important formula about the triangles, and after that we are discussing some important formula about the quadrilaterals. Now, at first we are discussing the triangles. In this part, there is a triangle part. There are four types of triangle is there, and one by one we are discussing their area and their perimeter. Now, the four part of triangles we are discussing today. First is right angle triangles, and second is equilateral triangles, and third is scalene triangles, and fourth is isosceles triangles. So in these four types of triangles and their area and the perimeter will be discussed today. We are starting from the right angle triangles. If ABC is a right angle triangle, this angle is a 90 degree, then the perimeter of these triangles will be sum of this side, and that side. That is, if we take this side is an A, this side is an B, this side is an C, then the perimeter of this triangle ABC is equal to A plus B plus C, and units maybe centimeter, maybe meter is there. Now, if we discuss the area of these triangles, there is a right angle triangles, then area, that is a capital A, will be half into base into height. This is the base. If we take this is the base, this is the perpendicular. If we take this is the base, this is the perpendicular. Now, if we discuss this is the base and this is the perpendicular, as well as if we write this one B into A will be the same result. That is, if this one B is the base, A is the perpendicular. If A is the base, then B is the perpendicular. Both the cases, the area of the triangles will be the same part. Now we move to the next. Now the next part we are discussing, that is the equilateral triangles. In this triangles, ABC is equilateral triangles. That is, the side of these triangles will be the same. That is, if we take AB is a ABC is a triangles, and the side length of the side is A. There is a centimeter or meter according to the given questions. So perimeter of these types of triangles will be A plus A plus A. That is a 3A unit. This will be meter, centimeter according to our given questions. Now the area of the equilateral triangles will be root 3 by 4 into A square and unit square. Root 3 by 4 into A square, unit square is the area of the given triangles, that is the equilateral triangles. And the height of this equilateral triangle, this will be the H. Height of the equilateral triangles will be root 3 by 2 into A and unit. So this is a complete of the equilateral triangles. Now we move to the next part, that is the scalene triangles. In these triangles, suppose ABC is a triangles and each of the side is unequal to each other. That is a AB is the length of A, BC is the length of B, and CA is the length of C. Then the perimeter will be A plus B plus C unit. Similarly, now the perimeter will be 2S, and S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. That is, S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Now the area of these scalene triangles will be a capital A is equal to root under S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C and unit square. Here is an unit. This is the complete of the scalene triangles formula, and now we move to the isosceles triangles formula. Now we are discussing the isosceles triangles. In this isosceles triangles, there is a ABC. Two sides of this triangle, that is a AB and BC, will be the same. Any two sides of the triangles will be the same. Third angle will be difference. Now the perimeter of isosceles triangle is equal to A plus B plus C and unit. Units may be centimeter or meter according to our given questions. And now the area of the isosceles triangle is equal to half into base. This is the base. The unequal side is considered as a base. These two sides are the equals. So unequal side is a base. So half into base multiple with root under equal side square minus of base by 2 whole square, and this is a root under and unit square. Unit square means this will be centimeter square or meter square according to our given questions. Now there are a relation between equilateral triangles and the isosceles triangles. Equilateral triangles may be considered as a isosceles triangles. So if we discuss these equilateral triangles as an isosceles triangle, this will be the same result. Now we move to the next part, that is the quadrilaterals. So triangle part is complete. Next part we are discussing quadrilaterals. Now we are discussing the quadrilaterals. In quadrilaterals we are discussing the trapezium, rhombus, rectangles and square. There are 4 types of quadrilaterals we are discussing today, and their perimeter as well as their area. Now at first, if this is a trapezium, if we put ABCD is the name of the trapezium, then the perimeter will be AB plus BC plus CD plus AD, and this will be unit. Unit will be meter, centimeter according to our given informations, and the area half into sum of their parallel side, that is a AD plus BC. AD and BC parallel to each other and multiple with their perpendicular between to the parallel side. This is the H. If we put this is AD, so this is the area of the trapezium, and this will be unit square, that is centimeter square or meter square according to our given informations. Now we are discussing the rhombus. In this part, this is the rhombus. Put the name ABCD. ABCD is the rhombus, and AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. So perimeter will be, if we take this is the A unit, then perimeter will be 4 into A unit. This is the perimeter. And now the area is equal to half into AC into BD, and this will be the unit square. Multiple of the diagonals AC and BD and half. This will be the area of the rhombus. Now we move to the next part, that is the now in rectangle part, suppose this is the rectangle ABCD. Then AB is equal to CD as an P unit. Unit is there, and BC is equal to AD is equal to L unit. L unit is there. Now the perimeter will be 2 times of L plus B unit. Now the area of the rectangles will be L into B, and this will be unit square. L into B, that is the length into breadth, and length, this is the length and this is the breadth. Length into breadth and the unit square. Unit square means this will be the centimeter square or meter square according to the given informations. So this is a complete of rectangles. Now we move to the square section. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD is equal to A unit. The length of the side is A unit. Perimeter, this is a P is equal to 4 times of A unit. And the area is equal to A square. And this will be the unit square. Now, this is the complete of quadrilateral section, that is a trapezium, rhombus, rectangles and square. Now, we are moved to the next part, that is the example section of the triangles and quadrilateral. Suppose equilateral triangles ABC is given and the side is equal to 10 unit each. Then find the area of these triangles and perimeter of these triangles. Now, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC or CA is equal to 10 unit. This will be the centimeter if we take centimeter. Then the perimeter is equal to 3 times of this one, that is 30 centimeter. There is a sum of 10 plus 10 plus 10 is a simple form of 3 times of 10 is equal to 30 centimeter. And now the area. We know that the area of equilateral triangles is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. Area is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square, and this is a centimeter square. Here the side is 10, so we putting the side as a 10 centimeter. So this is the root 3 by 4 into 100, and this is a semi square, 25 root 3 centimeter square. So the area of the equilateral triangles is 25 times of root 3 centimeter square. If we take this is a centimeter as the unit. This is the complete of the perimeter and the area of the triangles. Now if we take the another triangles, right angles triangles, and their side 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Centimeter and centimeter. Then the perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 5 centimeter. This is the 12 centimeter, and the area will be half into 3 into 4, and this is the semi square. So half into base into perpendicular. So this will be 6 centimeter square. This is the complete of perimeter and the area of the given triangles. So there are two types of triangles we are discussing, the perimeter and the area. Now another two types of triangles is here. Suppose this is the scalene triangles, and this is the 5, this is the 7 and this is the 8. So ABC is a scalene triangles. Then the perimeter of the scalene triangle 5 plus 7 plus 8. If we take centimeter as a unit, then this will be the centimeter. So 20 centimeter is a perimeter, and semi-perimeter S is equal to 20 by 2 centimeter. This is the 10 centimeter. And the area A is equal to root under S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and this will be centimeter square. Now, if we take this side is an A, this side is an B, this side is an C, then putting the value of S is an 10, and 10 minus 5, 10 minus 7, 10 minus 8, and this is a semi-square. So this will be 10 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 2, semi-square. So calculating these are 10 and 5 into 2 is 10. So 10 root 3 centimeter square is the area of the scalene triangles. Now we move to the next part, that is the isosceles triangles. Suppose ABC is isosceles triangles and the side is equal to 6, 6 and 8. So if we take here the unit is meter, then the perimeter of the triangle ABC will be 6 plus 6 plus 8 and meter is there because unit is meter. Now 6 plus 6 is a 12 plus 8 is a 20 meter is there. Now the area of the given triangle will be half into the unequal side is the 8 and multiple with root under equal side, that is a 6 square and minus of base by 2 whole square is there and unit is meter square. Now half into 8 into 36 minus of 8 by 2 is in 4, 16. So 4 into 2 is an 8. 8 root 5 meter square is the area of the given isosceles triangle. So this is the complete of the triangle sections. Now we move to the quadrilateral sections. Now we are discussing the example of the quadrilaterals. At first we are discussing the trapezium. Now ABCD is a trapezium and BC and AD is a parallel side and AP is a perpendicular. Let AD is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeter and AP perpendicular of two parallel side, AP is equal to 4 centimeter and AB is equal to 6 centimeter and DC is equal to 6.2 centimeter. Then the perimeter of the trapezium AB plus BC plus CD plus AD, and this is a centimeter. And now putting the value of AB 6 plus BC is an 8 plus CD or DC 6.2 plus AD is an 5 centimeter. So this will be the 25.2 centimeter. And the area is equal to half into sum of their parallel side, that is the AD plus BC multiplied with AP, and this will be the semi-square. So half into AD is equal to 5 and BC is equal to 8 and AP is equal to 4, semi-square. So 4 and 2 is vanished. So 13 into 2 semi-square. So this will be 26 semi-square. Now we move to the next part, that is a rhombus part. Suppose this is a rhombus is given and ABCD and the side AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD is equal to 5 meter. Then the perimeter will be 5 into 4 meter, that is a 20 meter. And if we take AC is a 10 centimeter and BD is in 12 meter, then the area of the given rhombus is equal to half into AC into BD, that is the product of their diagonal, and meter square is there. So half into AC, the AC value of AC is 10 and the value of BD is equal to 12. So calculating, we get 60 meters square. Now we move to the next part. There is another two types of quadrilaterals. Now we are discussing the last two types of quadrilaterals. There is a rectangles and square. Suppose ABCD is a given rectangles and AC and AB is equal to DC is equal to 8 meter and BC is equal to AD is equal to 10 meter is given. Then the perimeter of these rectangles will be P 2 times of L plus B. So this will be considered as an L and this is a B. So this is the L and this is the B and meter is there. So 2 times of 10 plus 8 meter, 2 times of meter, 36 meter. And now the area of the given rectangles will be L into B. So putting the value of L is a 10 and B is an 8 and meter square is there. So 80 meters square is the area of the given rectangles. Now we move to the next part, that is the square part. Suppose ABCD is a square and the side of this is equal to 10 meter. Then the perimeter will be 4 times of 10, that is a 40 meter, 4 times of side. Now the area is equal to side square, that is a 10 square and meter square, and this is a 100 meter square. And also we can find the diagonals of the square, that is a D, root 2 into 10 meter, that is a 10 root 2 meter. This is the complete of today's section. In this part, we are discussing 4 types of triangles, their area and perimeter, and 4 types of quadrilaterals, their area and the perimeter. And these are 4 types of triangles and 4 types of quadrilaterals with their example we are discussing today. Hope today's sections help you to understand this chapter better. And when we practicing this chapter in future, in board exam as well as a competitive exam, this video extend your knowledge about this chapter and help you to solve these kinds of problems in your board exam as well as a competitive exam.